Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was the day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in our previous video, if you will see, we created lots of project in the Scratch, right? But till now, we not created any animation. Okay. So today we are going to create one animation. Before that, if you are a new user here, you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Okay, so what I will do first, I will run this. So what you will get, see, this is like animation. See, first time you will get, then second time, third, after that you will get this little bit here. See, this is a flower animation. Okay, after that what you will get, see, this is the sleeve, then you will get some flowers here. So this animation we are going to create today. See, this is looking so pretty. So this is the flower we will create today. This is our flower animation. Okay, after that to be continue, continue this. Okay, so this one you will create. Then here you can add the music also. So that's all. So you can follow me. Enjoy your day. So we have to create this project. For this project, we will require some sprite and some backdrop. So first I will show you which backdrop we have to add here. Once you will click on the backdrop, we have only two backdrop. This is our first one and this gray is our second one. Okay. After that, we will require four sprites here. So our first sprite is the first part. But here we will require lots of costumes if you want to create this animation. But this is very easy. Okay. How you will create your sprite costume. So first we have to add only this much, as you can see this green color. After that, again, you have to copy the same thing and then you will take one little curve here, as you can see. After that, in third one, you have to make this curve little bit up. Then this is our fourth one. Here you will see only the curve, right? After that, what we want, we have to continue 6, 7, then again little bit curve, then 9, okay, then 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Then we have our next costume 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. After that, you will get your steam. So you have to create this. See, then you will get your flower. After this, you will get your red color flower. So, not in this animation. If you want to create any animation, for that we will require lots of costumes. Okay, so see, this is our next costume. Then after that we want our flower, which is in red color. Instead of red, if you want, you can add any other color else. Okay, see, so see the color change. Then you will get first red, then second red, then third one, fourth one. Okay, after that we want little bit down. So this costumes we have to create. After that, this is our next one, this. So this all are the costumes we have to create. Okay, see, after that, once you will create this costume, we have to add our sprite too. So here we will add the last part, like a so that's all, enjoy your day. So instead of this, you can write any other thing also in your project. Okay, I'm just giving you the overview. Then this is our third one, which is to be continued, and our fourth one is the flower. Okay, this is our project and the last part. So only this much we will require for our project. See, for Minya, what we want when flag is clicked, we want to initially hide. So only this much we have to do here. For your sprite 3, to be continued. What we will do when flag is clicked? So again, we have to hide this. Why? Because once flag is clicked, so we want this. We don't want this one, right? So initially we will hide, and here we will broadcast one message which is meme. And once you will receive that meme, then only we have to show that. And we need to go to one particular position. Means this is the position here we want. And we want to glide. Glide means you have to move from one position to another. So that is our glide. It will wait for a second and again that will glide. Means from here to here, that will glide. So only this much coding we have to do for our sprite 3, which is to be continued. I hope you understood this, right? This is a to be continued and this is our Minya. Now we will see the first part when flag is clicked. So what we want initially, we want to reset our timer and we want the 100% size. Whatever we created, we want the exact size. Then instead of this sound, as you can see, we can add any other sound also. Like this, if you want, you can add any other sound. And then you have to take your costume one, which is this one. It will wait for 3 seconds and then here you will get your another sound which is boing. And then what is the meaning of this next costume? See, after that, that will repeat 6 times. Okay, means you will get your next costume 6 times. Again, we have to wait for some second. Again, we will start one sound. Now we will repeat our next costume 7 times. Means you will get your next costume 7 times from here to here to here. Okay. And in your project, whatever image you will add, whatever costume you will add according to your costume, you have to take this repeat. Okay. Again, whatever sound you want, you can add. And then again, it will repeat the costume. See, if you want to create any animation, so in the animation, we are just changing the costume. The coding is very easy in the animation. Only what is the difficult part? We have to create a lots of costumes, right? After that, we have to again wait for some second and then we want to just change our costume. Even instead of this sound, you can add any other sounds also. Okay. After that, just I'm giving you the overview. So here the most important block is you have to take your repeat, you have to add a sound, you have to wait for a second, and you have to take your next costume. Only this much we have to do. So according to your project, you have to add all these things. Okay, I will give you the link in the okay, I will give you the link in the description box. You can just open this, you can see. Okay, and instead of this, you can create any other animations also. Now I will show you what is this our sprite 2. Sprite 2 means if you want like a I hope you enjoy. So again when flag is clicked, initially we want to hide. We don't want to show because we want our first part is this one, right? And once you will receive your Fiore XD, you have to play this sound and then we will stop everything. We will stop the execution. Here also, as you can see, once you will receive this Fiore XD, you need to just change your costume because here also we have to change your costume. First, we will broadcast this Fiore X-ray and then once you will receive this, you need to just change the costume. Okay. After that, we have to repeat this 5 times. Means again, how many costume you have here. According to that, you have to repeat. Okay. So this is all about how you will create a flower animation. Like this is our sprite one. Here the most important block is you have to take your sound, costume, wait, repeat, next costume. Then we have our sprite 2, which is the last part, how you will say like, oh, if you really enjoy this, so please share our videos like that. If you want to be continued, so here you have to add your glide part. Glide means you can move from one position to another. And then here we have our last one, which is mania. Okay, and you have to add two backdrop. Only this much we have to do in flower animation. Instead of flower animation, you can create a cat animation, dog animation. In that you can show how the cat is moving, how the cat, like a, suppose you can take a cat in small size, after that you can take cat in big size. Okay, so in this way we can create any animation. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share our videos. Okay. Thank you so much.